It may appear paradoxical, but what you see here is an attempt to save the rainforest. Controlled tree felling instead of over-exploitation. A programme devised by the Brazilian authorities in response to mass illegal forest clearing. Experts instruct residents of local communities and offer them a fair price for the timber. The entire area is registered, down to the last tree.
The controlled felling of trees also helps new growth and can't be compared with radical deforestation. We only take commercial, rapidly replaceable timber and don't wipe out vegetation in the surrounding area.
That's all too common in the Amazon. On the one hand, there's Brazil's booming agricultural industry and its continually growing demand for land. Then there are the lucrative export markets that offer a lot of money for exotic woods. Two officials from the National Environmental Agency IBAMA resume the hunt for evidence of illegal logging.
For a whole tree, the locals get the equivalent of $25. When the wood's been processed, it can be sold on for $700 per cubic meter.
Which means a tree can ultimately be worth $14,000, and a lot of people are eager for a share.
Our biggest problem is when local people run into this trap and start working for the illegal loggers.
Around 10,000 people live in the region along the river Tapajos. They need an income which they can use to feed their families if they're not to fall prey to the timber mafia. In addition to the forestry programme, the government also encourages communities to revive old traditions such as growing and tapping rubber trees. Alcine Rodriguez is an expert on latex and its various applications. The entire neighbourhood is involved in the production of these bags, from the dyeing to the stitching.
10 anos atrás, pessoas que trabalhavam aqui, né? E eu na floresta.
10 years ago, we cleared extensive areas for farming.
Para plantar alimento para a gente comer, alguma coisa qualquer. Hoje em dia a gente faz.
Today we extract just a minimum.
Só o complemento, né? O restante.
The rest we earn from our production here, and we can live off it.
And from whatever the forestry programme yields. A cooperative has now been established, and it's attracting an increasing number of families.
The programme now includes 126 families, but all the communities in the region benefit from the timber sales.
Tree by tree, it's an attempt at preserving the diversity of species in the Amazon. And here at least, the balancing act seems to be working.